Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Rick. Today I got a very special treat for you guys. The railroad police whacker is going to be stopping by so we can check out his railroad patrol vehicle. If you guys don't know who the railroad whacker is, well, basically he's a homeless police impersonator who hangs out and patrols the railroads. He hands out unofficial tickets and has made a few citizens arrest. And he gets away with it because he found some type of loophole in the railroad administration system. Well, let's just let him explain it. You want to explain to me?
I'm employed by the city. I'm not officially employed by the railroad. I just kind of stick around their property because you see the way the California state laws work is that you cannot be pretending to be an officer on public property, but the railroads are within their own private property because they own their own land. So as long as I post up on their property and look for people that are stupid and doing things that they aren't supposed to be doing, I can yell at them.
Okay. And did I mention this guy has a straight up train horn attached to his trunk? I swear, you cannot make this stuff up. Oh, what is up, man?
Thought you could get rid of me that easy, huh? No.
Well, how you been, man? It's been hella long since I seen you.
It's been a while, and I've been all right. You know, I'm at work more than I'm at home, which is kind of shitty, but yeah, it is what it is.
Okay, you guys, the legendary railroad police whacker is back. All right, so I heard she was down for a little bit. What?
Almost 2 years.
What happened to her?
It decided to shoot a plug out of the head.
Oh, damn.
And then I kind of just said, fuck you.
Yeah. All right, guys, let's check out his vehicle. This is a 2007 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor from Vacaville Police. Let's fully search it and see what goodies we can find, what's new, what has been removed, and let's find out what's the life of a wannabe railroad policeman. This guy always has the most craziest, most illegal things ever. And I guarantee you in this video, he will not disappoint. Alright, looks like he has some hideaways in the corner lights. He also has these headlight flashes right here. It's too bright to show right now, but here's a clip from the last video. He's got an official white Gold Rhino push bar. All these signatures are actual real police officers, right?
Police officers and dispatch.
They did a news story on this, didn't they?
Yeah, they did. So I reached out to the police department, asked them if they wanted to sign it. They messaged me back saying, do I want to be on the news? Like, sure.
Maybe we'll play the clip at the end of the video if we can find it.
Yeah,
all right.
Everything works.
Spotlights.
Everything works.
You ever think about switching to LED?
No, I'm too old school for that.
Too old school for that?
Look at the roof and you tell me if I'm going to put LEDs on this car.
Right, and we got the Jetstream Federal Signal.
It's the wrong nameplate. It's actually a Jetsonic.
It's a Jetsonic?
The difference is the Jetstream doesn't have the speaker in the middle.
Does that
speaker?
There's no speaker in there.
So they ran those for like 2 or 3 years,
Mm-hmm.
and then a bunch of the cops literally went deaf.
Oh, damn.
So they took all the speakers out of the Jetsonics and just ran them without speakers in it.
Interesting.
But, you know, God forbid, they can use it on us.
Right, they do.
It's too loud for them.
Right. Speaking of loud, this man has a literal train horn.
Go dump that valve, see what happens.
Is it this one right here?
Push it.
Oh my freaking goodness. I knew it was gonna be loud, but holy smokes, I didn't think it was gonna be that loud. All right, let me take a peek at that train horn real quick.
Made in Canada, eh?
What is this?
It is a Holden K3H.
It's actually different from the last one you had, huh? You had
I had to sell the last one to fix the truck.
And what was the last one?
It was a Nathan P3.
Nathan P3.
Yeah, so this new train horn is a lot louder than the older Nathan P3.
And how the hell do you get your hands on something like this?
Friends.
Okay.
It's really the easiest way to put it. A friend of mine had it. He put it on sale. $1,000. All right.
Oh, $1,000?
Yeah.
Holy.
And you wonder why I don't have money.
Worth it or what?
Oh, absolutely. It's worth 12 to 14 all day long, and I got it for $1,000 shipped.
Oh, nice. Honestly, I thought you were gonna say you stole it from.
Nah. 2 of my other ones have been stolen.
From you?
From me. Yeah.
I feel it. All right, so let's continue searching the vehicle.
It's the Whacker-mobile.
The Whacker-mobile.
The Whacker-mobile or the Stoner wagon.
All right, so I'm gonna start my search from the front and work my way to the back. Let's see what kind of crazy got in here. He did mention he was a stoner, so that makes a lot of sense. We got a old timer. Ooh, this is nice. Oh, I could have it? Nice. I was about to steal it, so awesome. Just kidding.
Kidding until you get caught.
Nah. Yeah, no, this is dope, man. I appreciate it. This is actually going in my pocket. Look how vicious these freaking mosquitoes out here are. That's literally mosquito bites in the daytime.
Are you sure it's mosquito bites?
Interesting center console here. So I'm guessing that this is...
Yeah, that's what powers the light bar. It's a control box out of like an E3 or 450 for like big trucks.
Yeah.
But master is what turns on the main rotators. I forget which one is which because it's been forever since I played with it. But one turns on the rear flashes, one turns on the rotators. And then you have center takedown, left takedown, right takedown. Everything in that light bar as far as the rotators are all chain driven. That's how old that thing is.
Wow. Things have changed. Now they're all like digitally sync.
I know, it's
seen that crazy crap? They pull up to the scene and they all sync together like Christmas lights. And CHP does that now.
That doesn't surprise me. The Chargers are lame.
Yeah, V6s, lame. The traffic advisor. And looks like he's got some type of vaping habit. Not good. Cell phone. And I'm gonna start her up, see how many miles it's got.
A little over 330.
Whoa, no way. Woo, 330, you're not kidding.
Neb on it.
Yeah. Sounds good.
Yeah, it sounds all right for as many miles as it's got on it.
Muffler delete on it?
Yeah, it still has all 4 factory CADs. And in the 10 years that I've owned this car, I have not had to change it.
10 years, huh? Nightmare before Christmas.
4 p.m. shift. I think that's when he starts his whacker shift.
I don't think this works. Bunch of nothing. It's like you got a parking ticket. You got a parking ticket?
At my job.
You got a parking ticket at your job?
At my freaking job. And the best
What?
part is, read what it says. Abandoning a vehicle.
Oh, they said your car looked abandoned? That don't make no sense. Hey, these cops know this guy. Must have been a rookie. Looks like he killed the chicken or something. All right, we got some handcuffs. I can't get them off. All right, he's gonna show us. Ooh, nice. She's so pretty.
Best $20 I've ever spent. And that counts the TA and the light bar.
Oh, I missed your out of service.
At one point that was a magnet, but I'm pretty sure it's adhered to the car now.
Yeah, I could have told you that this car was out of service.
A lot of people don't.
Really?
Dude, zoom in on that plate holder.
For official use only. City of Sacramento. How many people would you say you arrested?
Probably 12.
12. All right, let's take a look on the other side. Another lighter, of course. I should be wearing gloves, but it is so hot. Bunch of random crap. Oh yeah, of course.
That reminds me of the time I found 1/4 pound of the devil's lettuce.
Sweet. Put this over here. See what he's got in here. Some more vaping equipment. Some M80s, of course. Wouldn't be the railroad whacker without explosives.
We're gonna light those things up here in just a bit. In the last video, he literally had a half stick of dynamite, which we used to blow up an old refrigerator. Good times.
Some more vaping equipment. Smoking shit. More vape stuff. Looks like his vape. Ooh, what kind of name is that? It's a cool little box here. Terminal telegraph box. Whacker keys. Some type of radio. Biscuit, please. No way. This is the original receipt of the car. This man bought the car for $100. Bro, you got this car for $100?
Goddamn right.
Dude, I fucking miss those days.
Right?
The cheapest I bought one, I'm not joking, $25.
Is that the one you had to push back to your old yard?
Yeah, pushed it back. $25.
I bought one off of OfferUp for $250 and had 86,000 miles.
Yeah.
Those days are over, I'll tell you that
They
much.
are.
That car I pushed, all it was a bad mass airflow sensor. And all I did was clean it too. I just sprayed it and then boom.
When I got $500 and it had a bad PCM,
And what you put, how many miles since then?
close to 250,000 miles.
Damn.
Just did a trip to Oklahoma in November, so
Nice. All right, let's take a look in the back. Looks like the man could use a panel here.
I like to call that my mobile command stripper pole.
A mobile command stripper pole? Oh,
Yeah.
this thing. Let me pull this up. So what the hell is this thing?
It's my mobile command stripper pole.
And you set this up where? Like on top of the car?
Either on top of the car or on a hood.
And that's why you got this. Oh, okay, okay.
It's quick connect.
Gotta test this thing out.
Yeah, we can make it happen.
Did nothing. Ooh, ooh. Oh, nice. Why did that scare me? I think it's because it made a noise. Oh, nice.
The true purpose of this thing, we shall never know.
Let's continue.
Then we got my 10-inch back massager.
It's 10-inch back massager. Used to call it the brain massager. Your whole head rattles.
Right.
Yeah, right. Too much bass. Ooh, what the hell is this?
So us railroad whackers tend to have beef, and I beat the living shit out of somebody and took it from him because he was impeding on my turf.
You beat the living shit out of him and took this?
Yeah. I got a stripper pole. He had a little test panel.
Oh, okay. So there's more than one of you?
Yes, there is more than one.
Really?
Is this like Rust?
It's like Battle Royale, bro.
Is it like Rust? Do you guys like fight for like resources
Rust?
and stuff? Yeah.
You seen that movie?
Yeah,
Kinda.
Well, isn't that Rust the one with Alec Baldwin? Or no?
No.
It's a video game.
It's a video
Oh,
game,
okay,
bro.
okay.
It's an old school video game.
Yeah.
Oh,
it's
okay.
popular now.
I thought you were talking about a movie. So yeah, he let me have this thing. I took it home, trying to figure out what the heck is going on here.
So yeah, this thing is pretty cool. It's like a demo display.
You know, you got a little solar panel here.
That's for when I park over, more than a day.
And what are these railroad tracks or what?
Just random shit. Parts out of my wife's truck.
Oh, that's right. You're married, huh?
Yeah. Married in 2020.
Oh, wow. Lasted more than I thought.
You're so nice.
No offense. Hey, you wonder why I don't have friends, right? I'm just kidding. I have friends. I have all the viewers, right? If you're my friend, you hit the like button. Warning, car may explode. I built this shit myself.
They call
Okay.
me Vicente at work.
Vicente?
Vicente.
Okay. Or say, what's up, Pimp Daddy?
That works too.
This is what fuels this, huh? Just air.
Call it fuel. Yeah.
All right, let's okay, so I'm gonna just go ahead and I'm gonna just finish.
Spit it out, Junior, today.
I want you to just lay the horn, go nuts on this shit.
I want your mouth.
Okay. So this is your everyday carry basically for right now? She got a San Francisco parking and traffic.
I have to look somewhat official.
Yeah, I mean,
I have to have.
you look like a cop from here. All right, let's take a look under the hood.
Actually clean for one.
Really?
Gotta work out on it.
All right, let's take a look. Valve covers are nice and shiny.
Yeah, we just did valve cover gaskets on it yesterday.
Oh yeah? I hate doing those.
That's why I got friends.
You're lucky.
If you're not a dick, you tend to hold on to your friends.
That's true. Maybe I should stop being such a clean.
I didn't say that.
Yeah.
I didn't say that. 'Cause I mean, it's nice to the wrong people.
That's true.
That's really what I
Stop being nice to the wrong people.
There you go.
You
Yeah.
know who I'm talking to.
Yeah, I know.
No.
Yeah, I feel it. Clean, dirty, but clean. It's good you got a home now. Start living on those railroad tracks.
I mean, I'm there more than I'm home, but
Yeah.
I have a house, so
Yeah, I mean, is it like a hobby? You just hang out there and patrol or
We
what?
could call it that. Legality, we could call it a hobby.
Okay. How do you get away with playing cop?
Just drive faster. Drive
Just-
faster and mimic the way they drive.
Okay.
Do a $1.10 down the freeway with a cigarette in one hand and a coffee in the other. They don't look at you.
Yeah. Even though he's not getting paid by the city, he does all of this voluntarily. Yeah, he literally keeps the railroads safe.
The man fights crime for free. Who could be mad at him for that? All right, let's take a look in the trunk.
Is that your amp right there? Your
Ignore my setup. Yes.
Yeah, you got it strapped down. I like it.
I've had those forever. Dude.
Sheriff cones, sheriff training. That's dope. Got a highway patrol sticker. Let's see what he's got in here. This is gonna
How about
be.
me.
Yeah, you heading out?
Hi, Rick. Yep, it's all good.
All right, good seeing you.
Yep.
fine.
Oh, trap doors in here?
That keeps the doors from opening.
Oh, shit. Wait.
Oh, shit, I forgot to take that out.
Is this real?
Well, I'd hope so.
No way, holy. Okay, so demonstrate to me if there was a criminal committing a crime right there, what would you do?
Autograph, freeze! I want you on the fucking ground, you piece of ignorant piece of shit!
Just like that?
I mean, it's pretty close.
Okay.
You gotta use a tough voice. I mean, if I sound like this, they ain't gonna listen to me.
Bro, this can't be legal.
What part of any of what I do is legal?
How the hell do you get away?
It's
with...
easy. It's called raise hell, praise Dale, and drive faster.
Is this loaded?
No.
Check it out. Glock.
Good, now it's got your fingerprints on it.
It does. The vision thingy.
Man, you really don't know nothing about that. It's called a scope.
I just couldn't spit it out right now. It must be the heat. And you got a stiffy for the blicky.
You know it.
This is nice though.
Thank you.
I like it.
Got it from a railroad officer who was not so polite to me.
Really?
No longer has his gun or his badge.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Amtrak police, they're freaking pussies, man.
Yeah?
Oh yeah.
I didn't know Amtrak had their own police.
Amtrak has police, Union Pacific has police, BNSF has, every major railroad has their own police department.
And what department are you?
Yes.
Nice. Got any bullets?
All right, guys, we're going to put this thing to the test. But first, let's blow off them M80s.
All right, so we were walking around looking for something to blow up, and we found some mosquito-infested water. We're gonna drop a nuke into their environment. Don't feel bad for the mosquitoes because these can have the Zika virus. It's actually pretty common here in Sacramento, especially in places like this. There's a creek down there, and they suck the blood out of dead animals, which could be infected. Look at this, they got me.
Nuke Rico!
Dude, no way. Oh my goodness.
All right, guys, it's time to test out the Biscuit. I called over a professional gunsmith, Lieutenant Wilson, and we're heading over to the District 76 shooting range.
30 rounds. 30 rounds.
All right, here we go.
All right, let's check the damage. Look at this. Look at that. There's the back. Freaking sprinkling and raining out of nowhere. What the hell? Yeah, go ahead and shoot that thing right there. All right, let's check the damage. Just straight hole. It came out the back. All right, bro. At the count of 3, we shoot it. 1. You don't listen much, do you?
Let it roll.
Jeez. All right, man. It was good seeing you.
Hopefully you see me more on this channel again.
Yeah, for sure, guys. Make sure you give him a thumbs up. This poor guy suffers a lot, and whatever proceeds we get out of this video, we're gonna be donating it to the Railroad Whacker, trying to help this guy out. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
To some, he's a hero. To others, he's a zero.